In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a TradingView indicator script. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having customized tools at your disposal can enhance your trading experience and give you an edge in the market. Today, we'll walk through each step of the process so you can tailor your indicators to better suit your needs. First, let's begin by loading your desired indicator onto your chart. To do this, navigate to the Indicators menu and dive into the Public Scripts section. This is where you'll find a plethora of free and widely used indicators created by the TradingView community. Choose the one that piques your interest or is best suited for your trading strategy. Once you've found it, go ahead and apply it to your chart by simply clicking on it. You'll see it appear in the header of your chart. Now, take a moment to hover over the name of the indicator in your chart's header. You'll notice a small icon resembling curly braces, or often referred to as the source code icon. This is your gateway to peeking into the code that powers the indicator. By clicking on this icon, you'll gain access to the script in a read-only format. While you can't alter things just yet, it's a great way to familiarize yourself with the code structure and logic. Next, at the pinnacle of the Pine editor window, you'll spot an option labeled Create a Working Copy. Go ahead and click on it. What this does is open up an editable version of the script. This is where the magic really happens. You now have a copy you can fully customize, rename, and most importantly, save as your own. Feel free to tweak the settings, adjust parameters, or even play around with the code to test out new ideas or refine something that aligns more closely with your trading style. With your personalized copy in the Pine editor, the next step is to click Save. By doing so, you'll be prompted to give it a freshly minted name. Think of something that reflects either the function or the unique aspect you've incorporated. After you hit Save, the final step is to add your newly crafted version to your chart. Find the button labeled Add to Chart, and with a single click, your indicator with all its custom features will be live. You should see it immediately acting on your data, helping you make informed trading decisions. And there you have it. You've now learned how to not only copy an indicator script on TradingView,